Once again, the all-new Honda Jordo Plus in the Philippines. Malakpakan po natin Honda Philippines Incorporated for bringing this beauty to Philippine shores. But, you know, we've had so much good news for this afternoon, and I can't wait to give you more. What a pleasure it is to have everybody here tonight. Let me invite everybody to come near all of these Honda Jordo Plus units. You can take photos, you can take videos, you can have all the fun you want. Just don't forget to post us on social media using our official hashtags, hashtag HondaPH, hashtag OneDream, and hashtag A Class That Lasts. I hope this afternoon ignited your passion, especially with such an amazing group that we have this afternoon. We got friends from the media, writers, content creators, dealer partners. Maraming salamat. Thank you once again for joining us for today's unveiling of the all-new Jordo Plus. A huge thank you to Honda Philippines leaders whose vision and dedication fuel this journey. Once again, my name is Gretchen Ho. The night is young, and get ready to feel young again with the music of our next guest. Our next reporter is an exceptional R&B artist that is known for his remarkable talent in writing and producing his own songs. In fact, his songs have gained millions of streams on Spotify, and one of his hit songs, Musica, won the Contemporary Folk Song of the Year award on Wish 1075. His song, Sining, became a top 1 song on Philippine charts and holds the title as the longest charting song on Billboard Philippines history. He also holds the title King of Spotify, reaching the peak monthly listener at 8.9 million. And with these babies, you probably want to sing Hot Shot Running in My Mind, Non-Stop Vertigo, Girl Bought Whiskey in a Teapot, Ethanol. Now I think he does it better. Come on, let's bring him out. Let's give it up for the #1 male artist of the Philippines, Dianella!
If you know this song, sing with me. 1, 2. Kahit lahat ay mawala, kapalit na may mahal, ang mahal, tunay na propesya. Ikaw ang dakilang rason ba't ako ginawa. Aking oksigen, pag ano? Pag hindi na makahinga. By the way, para po sa mga hindi nakakilala sa pagmumukha ko, my name is Dionella, at isa po akong tao na mahilig sa musika. At para naman dun sa mga tao na nakakilala sa akin, pwede bang mag-ingay kayo para makita ko sino kayo nyo? Now, what if? The biggest what if? What if kumanta ko ng isang song na alam nyo lahat, kakanta ba kayo? We'll see. Sabi kanina sa akin, lahat daw na nagmamahal sa Honda, lahat daw singers. Totoo ba yun, everyone? Totoo ba yun? We'll see. We'll see. Just a warm-up. Feel the breeze. Come on. Oh, thinking about all I am getting. There is only you. We are young and wild and free, and no, nothing can take you away from me. We've been down that road before, and it's over now. You're getting me coming back for more. Come on, Honda Choir. 1, 2, 3, come on, sing. That's what I'm saying. I find it hard to believe we're in heaven. You're just all that I need, and I find there in your heart. And isn't it hard to see we're in heaven? Sino dito ang naniniwalang may langit? Taas ang dalawang kamay. Biggest what if? Kung totoong may langit, what if ang langit pala ay nakabasa sa kung anong pinakamaganda sa mga mata natin? What if ang langit pala, pagdating mo doon, isa lang pala ang blankong lugar kung nasan yung taong mahal mo? Yung iba sa atin dito, aminin niya't hindi, ang langit sa atin ay sa piling ng taong mahal natin. Agree? Now listen, kahit gaano kalayo ang langit, pag nahanap nyo ang tamang tao, ang langit isang kalit lang ang agwat sa atin. Now this next song, ladies and gentlemen, the song is called Langit and Hope Life is One. Isang ingin na malakas nga dyan, o kumo! Okay, as loud as you can, as loud as you can. Everybody sing. Ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit laging dating sa isipanya. Sa wakas ay mas maganda na realidad siya pa. tumangin sa aking mata, ika'y diwata. Kung ang buwan at araw mawala man, sisilap ang iyong ganda. Puso natin ay mag-alaman, mahal mo ay kabahalan. Di na ang mangyayata, saksi natin si Mahal. Hawak ka na sa likha, marami pa lang magbago sa akin. Nag-enjoy naman kayo so far? Just making sure. Just making sure. Okay. Nga pala, gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa Honda Philippines. Palakpakan naman natin ang Honda, everyone. Ewan ko, sasama sa kailangan sa Honda fan. And mabuhay kayo lahat. For this next song, ang ganda talaga nito, no? Giorno, sino gusto nito? Tatapon dyan, giveaway. Anyway, this next song ay para sa inyong lahat. At kinataytawag ng song na to. You can sing along. Let's go. Nag-enjoy naman po kayo so far. Yan ang importante. Gusto lang i-reveal yung ibig sabihin ng lyrics na to. Kasi marami nagtatanong sa akin, hindi lang sa personal, pati sa social media, ano daw yung ibig sabihin ng lyrics na I see God in your face? Ang ibig sabihin nun, listen, Whenever you feel loved, whenever you feel safe, whenever you feel appreciated, that's God's presence right there. Now, isang tanong, isang sagot. Sino na dito ang naranasang magmahal ever? Mahina. Sino mga nagmahal na dito? That's what man. Alam niyo, naniniwala ako na kahit gaano katigas, nagmamahal ka din. Kahit gangster ka, nagmamahal ka din. Agree? Now, if you ever feel love, at nagmahal ka na sa buong buhay mo, you're gonna sing this song as loud as you can. Game! Game! I'm calling you guys, the Honda Quad. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, dahil binigyan tayo ng Honda ng gift. What a masterpiece, bro. Giorno? Ano mas maganda? White o black? Tulungan niyo ako mag-decide. Black, no? Okay, dahil binigyan tayo ng Honda ng gift. ng isang masterpiece ngayong araw, bigyan kayo ng spoiler. Kayo lang makakarinig nito. Game? Spoiler! Watch out for Daniela and Neo this year. Okay. Okay. Ha? Di ba mainit sa pwesto nyo? Safe lang kayo dyan. Di mainit? Okay, this next song is all about that. About sa init. Hindi, naniniwala ako na pag mahal mo daw ang isang tao, kahit pawis na pawis ang ganda-ganda. Agree? Cheers, everyone! Okay, this next song is all about the definition of being simple. Listen. Baby, you're my serenity, my favorite melody, the remedy I need. I wanna be the one and only. I love, sa'yong matay ang handang kahulugan ng simple. And all my rainy days, the lit skies left me amazed. I was shot from heaven, yet you came without falling. What? Yeah! So make me feel like Willie's calling. You're the medicine to all my ways. Come on, sing with me. Baby, you're my serenity, my favorite melody, the remedy I need. I wanna be your one and only. Alam kong mabuti, luwalhati mong bibig, sa'yo matilingin. Ikaw ang katunayan sila. Nasa crowd ngayon si Yuri Dope at si Kuya Quest. Nasaan kayo mga tol? Yes, sir! Okay. Again, thank you so much, Honda, for having us here. At patawarin niyo ako kanina kung pa nasisita yung white na to. Ang ganda talaga. Sino gusto nito? Ako din! Okay. This time, chill muna tayo, man. Masyado na tayo nagkakakrangan. Jam lang, jam. Okay. Gusto kong ulitin na walang performer at walang audience dito. Lahat tayo dito magtutropa lang at nagja-jamming tayo. Okay ba yun, everyone? Okay yun, okay. Okay, kung alam niyo song, sing mo yun. Honda Choirs, let's go.
And I give off effort to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment. Sooner or later, it's over. I just don't want to miss you tonight.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3, and because I don't think that I'm listening. When everything's meant to be broken, I just want you to know why.
Mas malakas na yun?
I just want you to know why.
Pinakamalakas.
I just want you to know why. Ikaw lang mahal. Ganun ang tula, puno ng gitara at hilig ng tanda. Kumupas pa ng binigay, hindi mawawala. Hiwata mong dala. Ikaw aking puso.
Once again, lahat ng nagmamahal mag-ingay!
Dumating ang araw na hindi na maalala ng iyong mata ang aking mukha. Mahal, huwag kang mag-alala, tanda naman ng puso ang itsura ng naging pagsimula. Kung oras ay magbabalik ng sana, ay babalik kung unang kang makita. Muli kang lilitawan, muli maranasan ang pag-ibig sa anghel sa lupa.
Mga guys, sumabay!
Ikaw lang mahal.
Listen. Kung utak ay hindi na kayang gumawa ng melodiya para pisgin mo'y gumulang, memorya ko man ay wala na, katatak na sa tadhanang minsan sa'yo'y namanghal. Kung oras sa'yo, kung oras ay napapalitan sana, ay babalik mo ulit hanggang kita, at aking iuulat sa iyong umabot ng walang hanggan ang storya natin dalawa. Gusto ko lang din pasalamat ko sa lahat ng una-una sa Honda for having us here, at sa lahat ng taong kumakanta na nakikisabay sa song ko. Marami na pong beses gusto ko tumingin pero kayo yung dahilan kung ba't ako nagpapatuloy. Maraming salamat. Buhay ako iyan. Okay, gusto ko gawing memorable itong hapon na ito, hindi lang para sa akin, at para sa inyo, at syempre sa Honda Journal. Okay, hatiin ko kayo sa tatlong grupo, okay? Lahat ng nasa taas, kayo yung group 1, okay? Group 1, mag-ingay! Okay. Lahat ng nasa second floor, kayo yung group 2. Group 2, mag-ingay! Ayan, lahat ng nasa first floor, ground floor, kayo yung group 3, okay? Group 3, mag-ingay! Ito yung twist. Yung pinakamalakas mag-ingay, yayaman ngayong taon! Sabay-sabay, group 1, sabay-sabay mag-ingay, sabay-sabay! Payaman! Okay, listen. Kakanta ko ng note, uulitin nyo. Una group 1, group 2, then group 3. Gets, everyone? Gets? Okay, pagalingan, palakasan, para unang yumaman. Run. Game. Ready, group 1, like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. La 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 la. Group 1, listen. Like this. La 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 la. Group 2, what? How about group 3, like this?
ng sana. Babalik nung unang nakita. Sa inyong umabot tayo hanggang dulo. Hanggang at ang bawat isa'y magsasabi, ikaw ang mahal. Kasi hindi mawawala, iwala mo alam. Ikaw ang ano? Ako saan? Ikaw. Ako saan? Much lang. 1, 2, 3. Ikaw ang last one. Pinakamalakas. Ikaw. Thank you so much, everyone. Song. Again, maraming salamat po. Dahil na lang. At gusto ko lang sabihin at dinededicate ko tong song na to para sa masterpiece na nasa harap ko ngayon.